Welcome to the Jamaican adventure.
Thanks for tuning in, and a special thank you to all of our current subscribers for supporting us so far. We really appreciate that. You are awesome.
And if you are new to our channel, thank you for watching. We hope that you will enjoy this video and become a subscriber too.
And as you may know from our previous video, we drove from Bull Bay to Long Bay here in the beautiful parish of Portland in Jamaica. And we are currently staying at a small Airbnb in the town of Fair Prospect, which is right here on Long Bay Beach. And today we are going to take you with us because we are having lunch on the beach.
But don't expect sunshine or blue skies because it is raining today, and rainy season in Jamaica is typically between July and October. But rain or shine, we're taking you on this adventure.
Let's go. So normally it's super busy, the area, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, from Cool Vibez, everything is like.
Here we are right now. We are on the beach at Long Bay Beach and we are waiting for our food. Here's a little beach shack that offers some amazing jerk chicken. The chef Mike is really awesome. And yeah, it's one of the best jerk chickens I had so far.
I totally agree.
Of course, your mom's cooking is even better, but there's no comparison. So
Good one.
That's Mike, the amazing chef, with the best jerk chicken.
So if you're ever in Long Bay,
Stop by here.
Yeah.
Cool Vibez.
Cool Vibez, that's it.
Thanks, Mike.
You have a cold one?
Roasted breadfruit, so delicious. So there's a major depression out in Jamaica. This is why we're having so much rain, and the ocean is very rough.
Food was really good. The beach here at Long Bay is one of the last beaches in Jamaica that is free to go to. For all the other ones you unfortunately have to pay, but here you have miles and miles of sand beach, and we are lucky because we're the only one here.
I'm a slow eater.
Ellie's still eating. I think I will be getting ready for the ocean now.
Jamaica in a storm.
just finished our lunch at the beach, and now we are going back home.
I got a fresh coconut.
With a coconut. We are back at our Airbnb, which is conveniently located just a few steps from the beach. And despite all the rain, we enjoyed our time down at Mike's shack and actually enjoyed a very delicious Jamaican lunch.
Absolutely. And unfortunately, this is our last day in Fair Prospect, and the residents of this community have been very welcoming, and their hospitality made our stay even better. The Airbnb in which we're staying is as advertised, but we will bring you a more detailed review of all the places that we have stayed in another video when we return home. So please let us know in the comment section below what is important to you when choosing an Airbnb.
So let us know in the comments below. You have some time because we are not heading straight back home. We have a few more adventures ahead of us here in Jamaica. So join us in our next video on a road trip from Long Bay to Port Antonio.
And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Jamaican Adventure and turn on those notifications so you know when we're dropping a new video. Until then,
Auf Wiedersehen. See you soon. Later.